Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, guys. Hi, I'm back dengan game horror kita, iaitu Tales After Midnight The Neighbor episode 2. Okay, Tales After Midnight ni kalau korang ingat kita ada main satu game. Kita ada main Tales After Midnight ni episod pertama. Dan berdasarkan apa yang dia tulis dekat description game ni, kalau korang nak main game ni, korang tak payah main episod 1 untuk faham dulu cerita, sebab cerita dia tak bersambung. Dan Tales After Midnight menceritakan tentang kisah yang dia ambil dari kisah benar. Kisah yang diambil dari kisah benar. Macam tu lah guys. Okay, so episod kali ni menceritakan tentang kita seorang perempuan yang baru pindah rumah. Dalam mungkin ada dia punya lebih banyak panjang lagi lah. So kita main. Okay, kita play. Cuma ada play dan quit. So kita terus play. Bismillah guys. Static Mind presents. This game is inspired by true events, while the narrative is rooted in real-world occurrence. Certain characters, location, and incidents have been altered, dramatized, or combined for the purpose of creating. Okay, so game ni berdasarkan kisah benar guys. It happened about a year ago. My name is Hannah. Back then, I was 23 and completely exhausted. I had spent the last 4 years crammed into a tiny city apartment with 3 roommates, pepper tin walls, and constant sirens. I never had a single moment of actual peace. So, when I finally landed a permanent remote job, my first instinct was to run. I wanted to be as far away from the noise as possible. Okay, so nama kita Hannah guys. Kita berumur 23 tahun dan kita sangatlah penat sebab kita dah tinggal selama 4 tahun dalam apartmen yang sangat kecil dengan 3 orang roommate dan dinding yang sangat nipis. Jadi susah guys kalau tinggal dekat apartmen atau kawasan yang macam tu lah, apartmen yang dinding dia nipis, macam orang sebelah buat apa pun kita dengar, macam mana, susah faham. So akhirnya kita berjaya larikan diri dan kita sangat nak jauh daripada kebisingan tu lah. I found a listing for a 2-story house in a small, isolated town called Oak Haven. The rent was unbelievably cheap, cheaper than my tiny city bedroom. To me, that sounded like an absolute dream come true. I packed everything I owned and signed the lease the very next day. So kita jumpa rumah double house, 2 tingkat dekat Oak Haven. Bahkan dia lebih murah daripada kita punya bilik yang kecil tu. I just wanted to be completely alone. Kita cuma nak bersendirian. Of course, I feel you, don't worry. Okay, so inilah rumah dia kot. Wow, please, ni dah lah berapa harga dia? Dua tingkat guys. Kita tengok belakang dulu ada apa. Ui, kalau aku pernah rumah macam ni guys. Dalam macam, maksudnya kejiranan ni macam ni, contoh kita letak tepi lah segala apa yang bakal terjadi lepas ni. Tapi kalau ada kejiranan macam ni, rumah macam ni murah, wah aku nak guys. Okay, so kita mungkin kena pindah dulu kot. Ke kita nak try, boleh jalan dulu lah. Kita try jalan dulu guys. Talk. Sorry. Me, hi, I'm Hannah. I just moved in next door. Nice to meet you, Hannah. I'm Adam. This is Julia. Sorry about the mess. We are heading out for a month. Wow. So dia orang nak pergi cuti sebulan, a month. That's a long time. Yeah, we need it. The stress of the city. Anyway, welcome to the neighborhood. It's quiet here, mostly. Yeah, don't mind. Liam down the road. He's intense but harmless. Thanks for the heads up. Have a safe drive. A treat. Thanks Hannah. Enjoy the peace and quiet. Okay. So saya ingatkan dia tengah bergaduh guys. Sini. Rumah kita agak lain Wow, pakcik ada usul pipit. I should at least put 2 boxes before talking to him. Oh, okay, faham. So kita kena pergi letak 2 box dulu. Suruh cakap dengan dia. Apa salahnya kita nak habiskan masa bersembang. Macam Allah lah. Press M for map. Wow, that's not true. Ground bathroom. Okay, ground bathroom. Sinilah kan. Oh wow, macam tu je. Okay, faham. Ya Allah guys, dia tak ada setting. Sakit pula hati aku. Okay, so tak boleh tak pintu ni ke sini? Serabut lah aku. Okay, kita ambil lagi satu box. Kita ambil box. Okay, kita ambil satu box ni. Kita dekat main hallway. Sinilah kot kan. Okay, cun. Kita ambil box dulu lah guys. Serabut pula. Jadi kita suka kata 3 box, 4 box, 5 box, 6 box. Garage. Boleh buka di sini ke? Oh, tak boleh. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Allahu Akbar. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Emosinya aku. Okay, garage kat sini kot. Okay, so kita tak je. Tak payah tengok maps. Kemon lah guys. Kita dah dapat baca rumah ni macam mana. Tak payah tunggu tengok maps. Bedroom 2. Okay, ni kita tengok sekejap. Okay, fine. Dekat atas. So dia tak tunjuk lagi kot. Sekejap kita try. Weh, serabutnya. Astagfirullah. Maaf guys kalau korang pening sebab memang menyakitkan hati. Day. Ni kot. Try. Okay, dia lah tu. Kita turun balik. Kita pergi dekat keluar. Guys, so sorry kalau dia punya macam apa ni, macam tu. Dia macam tak boleh nak setting guys. Saya sendiri pun pening. So harap korang boleh bertahan, bersabar, bertenang, sabar, tenang, ungker. Main bathroom. Sini kot. Sini Okay, so kita turun balik. Tahu tak layout rumah ni macam aneh. Gila, aku tarik balik kata-kata aku tadi. Kalau layout mesti aku pun pening. Serabut. Kitchen. Dah nak gelap ke? Macam gelap je. Dah nak malam Kitchen. Okay. Mana? Kitchen lah ni. Alamak. Okay. Macam nak malam guys. Kita laju. Apa bathroom? Woi, macam nak malam. Kau biar betul. Sabarlah je, aku tengah mengangkat lagi ni. Okay. Apa bathroom? Bukan. Okay. Okay, bukan. Ni bukan. Bathroom. Bukan ke? Oh, ni. Okay. Weh. Astaghfirullahalazim, serabutnya aku. Pening sangat ni. Okay. Bedroom 1. So ni bedroom kita kot. Main bedroom main. Tak, okay, kita nak duduk. Aku serabut tak guys? Sebab aku serabut semacam. Punya layout dia menyakitkan hati. Kau tengoklah, ni okey lah macam ni lah. Tapi kau tengok pintu dia macam tak kena. Macam pintu dia menala kat sini. Buat apa? Tengok, dia kecil macam ni. Lepas tu ni buat apa tinggi-tinggi deh. Serabut lah. Lepas tu kecil-kecil. Macam terlalu ni lah. Okay, tak apa. Kita pergi cakap dengan neighbor. Ni dah cakap dah tadi. So kita sambung cakap dengan pakcik belasu pipik ni tadi. Okay, Liam, you the new one? Cuba tengok. Memang aku baca nama dia. Yes, I am. I'm Hannah. Brave or stupid? Excuse me? Wah, engkau? This town of heaven. People don't stay here. They blame the economy or the isolation. But I know better. The energy here is wrong. This whole place is haunted. Especially that house of Kepala H there. Look, I already know all the rumors. That's why the rent was cheap. It really doesn't bother me. Suit yourself, but keep your doors locked. Ghosts aren't the only things that creep around when you aren't looking. But bila korang duduk seorang, benda yang lebih menakutkan adalah manusia. Sebab memanglah kalau korang duduk seorang macam creepy sikit lah. Tapi at least macam faham tak? Faham kan? Kalau manusia ni lebih menakutkan. Sebab dia orang boleh melukai. Bahkan kadang hati dia orang lebih jahat. Itu lah. Caleb. Nenek. Nenek apa nek? Well, now a fresh face. I haven't seen a moving truck on this block in years. Hi there, I'm Hannah. I'm Caleb. Welcome. You bring a little life to this old street. Everyone else seems to be running away these days. Semua orang macam lari, guys. I noticed. My neighbors next door just left for a month. Bah, people have no roots anymore. Me? I'm not going anywhere. My Mark and I bought this house 50 years ago. He passed right in that upstairs bedroom. I promised him and never leave the porch until the day I joined him. So, how long are we lucky enough to have you, Hannah? Oh, I'm not going anywhere either. I just spent 4 years trapped in the loudest, most crowded city apartment you can imagine. I work from home now, so I signed a 2-year lease here. I just want some peace and quiet. Oh my god, work from home. Itu adalah idaman saya, guys. Itu ada nantilah. A 2-year lease? Oh, that... I'm sorry kalau bunyi tu masuk macam bunyi motor kalau... Oh, that is music to my ears. It is so good to have someone staying for the long haul. You settle in, Hannah. Enjoy the quiet. If you ever need sugar or the story, you know where to find me. Okay, Caleb. Thank you. Boleh tengok tak Caleb? Rumah Caleb macam... Okay, sorry. Talk to the neighbors. Terakhir, Olivia. Sekejap guys, nak minum sekejap. Mulut kering. Oh, great. Another one. Hi, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Hannah. Save it. We are moving out today. Oh, is everything okay? Oh, inilah rumah yang macam agak-agak. You will see that place next to us, the green one directly across from yours. Yes, the empty one. That's what the landlord says. No one has lived there for 2 years. Yeah, right. We hear noises coming from inside, scratching, heavy thumping all night long. Good luck, honey. You're gonna need it. Come on, let's go. So dia cakap rumah tu kononnya tak ada orang, tapi dia dengar bunyi lah daripada rumah tu. So sama ada orang ataupun yeah. A week went by. Between unpacking and my remote work, I barely left the house. I convinced myself the neighbors were just eccentric small town folks. I was finally getting used to the absolute quiet. I actually started to feel safe. Then came Tuesday afternoon. So dia jarang keluar dari rumah sebab dia kan kita kan kerja dari rumah, work from home. So kalau saya jadi dia pun mungkin keluar pergi beli sayur kot. I was finally getting okay. Kita dah start rasa selamat, guys. Tapi datanglah Tuesday afternoon, Selasa petang. Press E to drink. Wow, chill. Ni rumah kita, guys. Kita duduk atas kerusi tinggi betul, kita baca pendek. Dan macam sunyi macam kita je, guys. Tak ada orang pun. Kita je ke tinggal. By the way, kau tahu layout tambah perumahan ni macam sangat familiar. Macam pernah nampak sama ada saya tengok gameplay orang ataupun saya pernah main game yang guna layout ni lah. Tapi sangat familiar. Dia dengar dari belakang pun tu. Ada orang. Okay. By the way, mana semua orang? Memang betul-betul tak ada orang ke? Caleb mana Caleb? Liam? Dia tak cakap pun dia dah pindah. Oh, boleh zoom. Kita kalau nampak benda macam ni, guys, kita kena buat apa? Kita berambus. Okay. Kita weh, kau babai apa lagi? Kau kat dalam ni. Astagfirullahaladzim. Dan aku itu dia bar tiba-tiba kan. Wah. Kepala otak dia. Oh sudah. L. Weh aku kita tak berapa nak hafal ni. Okay. L Sekejap guys. Kena fokus. Gunalah yang dekat-dekat. Aku dah kena guna 2 tangan lah main. El. Weh, terkejut aku. Mama. Apa yang? Weh. Sabar. Tenang. Astagfirullahaladzim. Weh. Bagilah mudah sikit. Left button ke? Apa ke? Kau sabar. Sabar ya guys. Perlu guys sedikit concentration. Gitu. Weh, Mak Hamlet. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Allahu Akbar.
Sorry about that.
Oh. Ada suara guys. Daniel. What the fish are you doing here?
I just saw you having your coffee. Thought I'd stop by and say hi.
No.
Can I
No.
come in?
No. Shh, diam. No. You go away. You. Kenapa muka dia macam tu? Mak, siapa yang design muka dia ni? Astagfirullahalazim. Masuk. Bijaknya ya Allah ya Tuhan.
Again,
Hannah.
I am so sorry. I should have used the front door. I rang the bell, but I guess you didn't hear it?
Kalau engkau bunyikan loceng, aku dengar lah. Kau fikir rumah aku ni besar mana? Besar Datuk Sri Vida punya rumah kan, sampai aku tak dengar loceng aku sendiri. Menipu betul. I must have missed it. Baik betul lah Hannah ni.
You are Hannah, right?
Aku tak ada bagi tahu lagi nama aku. Dia ni aneh lah. How do you know my name?
Oh, don't worry. Caleb told me. He was very excited for someone new to finally move into this house, into our town.
Caleb tu tak adalah busybody sangat. Dia tu lepak dekat depan rumah tu je. Engkau baru balik tadi. Dah macam mana kau sembang dengan Caleb tu nya? Aku baru masuk nak cuci mangkuk pinggan cawan. Kau tiba-tiba dah muncul. Nipu betul lah Daniel ni. Serap dah aku. Dia cakap Caleb bagi tahu. Right, great. Are you the owner of that greenhouse?
My name is Daniel, and yes, I am the owner of that beautiful house.
Beautiful house. Oh, I just haven't seen you all week. When I ask around, people say the owner lives in Scotland. Macam mana Hannah ni baik sangat ni Serius aku cakap, aku tak kenal. Kau jangan masuk rumah aku. Tambah lagi aku lelaki memang hidup lah.
Yes, well, I am the man they're talking about. The Scotland thing, well, that's mostly true. My work keeps me moving from place to place, you see.
Apa tu? Okay, so why come back now? Why here?
It's home, Hannah. It's where we belong, where my family belongs. A man is incomplete without those two things.
Ini macam acah lebih. Right, well, I don't really have either of those right now. I don't even know how long I'm planning to stay here.
Oh, sweetie, I've been exactly where you are. But you aren't alone in this town. There are people watching over you while you work, while you sleep, when you first moved in, when you were washing the dishes, just to make sure you're ready to become part of the family.
Guys, dia memberikan vibes yang sangat tidak best. Dia sangat creepy. Dia macam psycho. Dia macam, ya Allah, tak faham aku. Yeah, thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank my family for taking such good care of you this past week.
I don't need that. Okay, well, Daniel, where is your family? Your wife and kids?
My wife? My child? Oh, God. They were the most beautiful things I had back then.
And you are the most ugliest thing. I mean, are they here or...
They're gone, Hannah. They're gone. I don't know why I let them go. I think it's all God's plan. Why? Are they really gone?
Bang, Assalamualaikum. Bang, ini bukan sesi curhat ke bang? Janganlah gitu. Itu tadi, aku kan... I think I should go get your glass of water. Rumah dia tu besar tu, tu lagi besar daripada rumah ni. Mek dia suruh pergi ambil air sendiri, tak air tak ada. Nyamak. Fill water. Jantan ni lagi sama ada dia hilang atau dia berdatang kat muka-muka. Serabut dah. Dia sangat tak best guys. Sangat macam macam aneh. Aku rasa dia ni lah yang membawa masalah. Oh, mak hang. Kan aku cakap tadi. Daniel, not again. You scared the hell out of me.
Thanks for the help, Hannah. This was just a test.
Perlu hutang kau test. Aku tak perlu kau test kau balik lah. Muka macam ikan aku ni.
Just checking to see if you would take care of your family.
I have my family, but my family is not you. Right, okay. Look, it's getting late and I really need to sleep. I think you need to leave now.
Oh, Hannah, that's perfect. In my family, everyone goes to sleep early.
Tak ada lah. Itu cara nak halau sebenarnya. Tidur bertiga. Tiga sekali aku tidur. Kau jangan risau. Kau balik. Aduh, serabut lah. Dengan muka macam penyu, macam kura-kura. Siapa ajak dia masuk ni? Few hours later. Good. Macam biasa. Sangat family. Sangat. Gitulah guys. Oh, the power went out. I really need the AC working, man. I'm gonna have to fix the generator in the garage. Aren't I? Garage. So kita kena macam biasalah guys. Sangat cliche. Game horror je, elektrik mati. Game horror je, elektrik mati lah gitu. Okay. Boleh ke? Okay. Tiba-tiba guys. Kemal aku pro lah bab ni. Weh, mak hang. Tak boleh terus sambung ke bawah Okay. Okay. Alamak. Bukan. Ni ke? Bukan. Kosong. Bukan. Sekejap. Kau sabar sekejap. Alamak. Macam mana ni? Betul lah ke sini. Dah tu? Oh, kena naik atas. Faham? Okay. Okay, cun. Jangan cakap ada jump scare. Oh, bukan. Dia ada jump scare. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pejam mata pula tu. Tak. Saya first saya tak ada keberanian langsung guys. Nak pergi check ke apa ke mampus lah. Tidur. Saya tak ada keberanian langsung nak pergi check kan. Jangan rasa getar kaki tangan aku ni. Okay. Almost 2 weeks passed since the power went out. I tried to convince myself it was just an old house acting up, just the wind in the bushes. But I couldn't stop thinking about a man from across the street. He told me his name was Daniel. After that first day, he started finding excuses to catch me outside, checking his mail, sweeping a perfectly clean porch. Every time he spoke, his words felt rehearsed, picky, and perfectly chosen. Guys, apa je tak fikir aneh. Dia macam sengaja. Dia macam nak ambil peti surat lah, sapu lah, itulah. He kept bringing up the concept of family, telling me how important it was to look out for each other, how I didn't have to feel alone in that big empty house. His presence, there was just something deeply odd about it, like a predator. Sebenarnya nak sebut perkataan ni, tapi macam tak terfikir. Dia macam predator guys, macam buaya, like a predator trying its best to mimic human empathy. I feel suffocated. I needed to get out of the house just for a little while. Pindah je lah guys. Pergi mampus lah dengan kelop. Kejut aku. Hannah, good to see you out and about. How is the new place treating you so far? It's good. Very quiet. I'm still getting used to all the space. Honestly, the house makes a lot of strange sounds at night. Kita pun dengar bunyi pelik-pelik guys malam. Don't you worry about that. It takes time for an old house to get used to a new heartbeat. My mom used to say the walls need to learn your name before they stop creaking. Wow, itu adalah satu benda baru Dia cakap dinding memerlukan sedikit masa untuk belajar tentang nama kita sebelum dia orang berhenti berbunyi. Wah gitu. That's a nice way to look at it. I think I just need to get out of my own head for a bit. I'm running low on coffee and groceries anyway. Well, you don't have to go far for that. There's a nice little grocery store just down the avenue. It's so close. You can just go there by walking. Really? I didn't even notice on one on my way to town. It's stuck right behind the old post office. Just a straight, easy walk. The girl at the register talks a bit too much, but they have everything we need. Okay, sounds perfect. A short walk might be exactly what I need right now to clear my head. Thanks, Caleb. Anytime, Hannah. You have a safe walk now. Okay, so kita nak pergi beli barang. Pergi beli groceries. What's this? Mana green? Oh, beautiful. Ini yang dia cakap beautiful tu. Oh aloh, dia mau tak kena buy. Tiba kan. Ya besar kita tak ada tinted ke langsir ke apa ni. Seram lah. Ni kalau mandi ke apa kan tu ya. Okay, kita wash dishes. Apa ni? Apa ni? Oh, to-do list. Wash dishes. Sekejap tolonglah si Dana tu. Kan ada muncul tiba-tiba lagi kat tepi tu. Memang kena maki. B L F. Sekejap kan baca-baca bila main tekan benda ni kena concentration sikit. L. Sebab dia jauh. Setiap kali nak type kena guna dua tangan je. Sebab jauh sangat. B M bahasa Melayu. L B F. Dan saya hafal sangat guys. Dia punya letak-letak huruf ni. Dulu selalu lah type zaman-zaman dulu. Kan tahu tak macam mainan budak dulu yang macam komputer yang macam laptop tu. Saya punya dulu macam advance sikit. Saya beli yang macam betul-betul typing lah. Macam betul-betul lah. Macam susunan dia macam keyboard betul. Jadi saya macam sedikit awal belajar macam mana cara tulis. Jadi lama-lama macam dah pandai. Tapi sekarang saya kurang sikit. Jadi macam tak hafal. Tiba-tiba cerita kau shopping list. Wow. Macam family mart. Sekejap. Oh okay. Macam pelik kan aku tak jalan. Wow. Sekejap. Patut pun aku tak nampak. Aku tengok jalan dia pun separuh. Buat apa? Hai, shopping list. Milk. So milk kat sini. Ada coke. Ada milk. Masalahnya benda tu timbul. Buat apa? Ambil je. Tak payah tengok pun. Lalu dapat dia timbul kau ambil. Okay. So apa lagi? Ada timbul tak? Tak ada. Okay. Tak ada. Belilah keropok. Ni apa tu? Sup. Oh buat sup. Okay. Weh, aku temu dinding. Astaghfirullahalazim. Bukan. Tadi Dana takut aku temu dinding kan. Kau mana? Temu dinding ke rumah dia. Okay. Oh habis dah? Dah kah? Oh habis. Okay. Kita bayar. Cantik lah. Receptionist. Receptionist bukan. Oh memang tak tahu. Okay. That's a lot of pasta for one person. You must be the one who moved into the Miller place. Yeah, I'm Hannah. I work from home, so the pasta is pretty much mandatory. Welcome to Oak Heaven, Hannah. How are you liking the quiet so far? Dia macam AI. Macam sangat AI. Tahu tak? It's definitely quiet. I like it though. The neighbors have been pretty welcoming too. Especially the guy right across the street from... Across the street? You mean next to Liam's place? No, the greenhouse directly across from mine. He came over to introduce himself the other day. Really friendly guy. Said his name was Daniel. Wait, the greenhouse? Yeah, he said he's lived there a while. Told me his wife passed away there. Honey, nobody lives in that house. What do you mean? I literally gave him a glass of water in my kitchen. Kena cakap dah. That house belongs to Mr. Henderson. Emilia Henderson. He's been in Scotland on a work contract for the last 2 years. The place has been dead empty. In fact, my friend just signed the lease to rent it starting tomorrow. The keys are still locked at the agency. Are you sure? He had a car parked in the driveway and everything. I am absolutely sure. If someone is in that house, Hannah, they aren't supposed to be there. Tapi aku cuma nampak dia parking depan rumah je. Few moments later. Okay. Oh, gelapnya. Bro. Weh, beraninya dia weh. Tak, literally kan, tak ada orang ke? Memang aku je ke tinggal kat sini? Rumah aku je menyala. Oh. Oh, sudah. Dia tunggu depan rumah pula. Tak. Tak
Hey,
payahlah daripada buka.
Hannah. You're home late tonight.
Why are you standing outside my house, Daniel?
Oh, Hannah. This isn't supposed to happen. In our family, no one stays out this late.
Kau lah. Pasal pulang ke family kau. Kau bukan bapa aku. I mean, I was just busy at the grocery store.
Oh, sweetheart, relax. Nothing is going to happen to you now.
To me now? Okay. Okay, I guess. Okay. Oh.
When someone in our family comes home late, they have to be punished. Good night, Hannah.
Tu family kau, bukan aku. Aku bukan family kau. Astaghfirullahalazim. Something doesn't feel right. I should make sure the door unlocks. Kau baru tahu ke? Oi. 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 Kau ambil amboi kau. Kau main laju. Tak nak, mama takut, mak. Wah. Wah. Aku bukan apa. Ini kalau dia nak cepat-cepat kan. Lagi? Oh. Baru tahu Tak, siapa je kunci macam ni? Weh, dia takut pula. Astaghfirullahalazim. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Ya Allah ya Tuhan. Hey. Terus aku kena main game yang tak lagi ni lagi. Go to sleep. Okay. Okay, kita go to sleep. Tak mandi dulu lah. Astaghfirullah. Ya Allah. Sedap ya aku. Okay, go to sleep. What the fish was that? I think someone's in the house. Okay, just get downstairs quietly. Call 911. Get downstairs quietly. Okay. Quietly, guys. Weh. Tu. Oh, alamak. Okay. Shh. Kita try slow. Saya kena jump scare. Tak nak, mama. Guys, nak try guys? Pejam mata. 1, 2, 3. Weh, macam kucing. Aduh, bising yang sakit dengan aku. Wow. Oh, ulang balik. What the fish was that? Dah lah tu. Okay, jom kita kena turun. kita call 911. Okay guys, slow turun. Tak boleh lari. Shh, diam. Turun. Mama.
Open the door, sweetheart! Open the... If you don't open it, I'm gonna tear you apart!
Kenapa cakap kisah ke? Okay. He's gonna break the glass. Call 911, Dara. Just call 911, Ryan. Wait, sekejap. Aku kena buat apa ni? Aku tak faham. Huh? Guys, actually I am not understand. 9. Lepas tu oh, saya kena pecah dah. Set. Tapi aku tak faham. Aku tahu dia aku pecah. Tak, maksud sekejap. Tak faham. Dia buat apa ni? Aku dah tak. Sekejap. First dia tekan. Saya dah tekan dah 9 tu. Tapi sekejap, tak faham lah. Weh, kan habis 1 jam aku main game ni. Kita cuba guys.
Open the door, sweetheart! Open the fucking door! If you don't open it, I'm gonna tear you apart!
Okay, sekejap Okay. Oh, kata ikut. Oh, faham. Weh. Okay. Get to the front door, just the run. Okay, run. Lari. Telinga aku. The police arrived just in time. I made it out just in time. If I hadn't heard the sound of the back door smashing, I might never have woken out. If I hadn't forced myself to walk silently down those stairs, the stranger waiting in the dark with a weapon would have found me. And if I hadn't dialed 911 exactly when I did, Daniel would have shattered that glass and come inside. The police caught them trying to scatter it through the woods behind the property. There were 4 of them in total. They had been squatting in the abandoned house across the street for months. That is what the previous neighbors were hearing. The scratching, the thumping. They were watching the neighborhood, waiting for the perfect target. Someone alone, someone looking for peace and quiet. During the interrogation, none of them would confess to why they were targeting me. To this day, I don't know what they planned to do once they got inside. I moved out of Oak Haven the very next morning. I live in a loud, crowded city now. I don't look for a quiet place anymore. Because sometimes, when a place feels so quiet, it is just because someone is holding their breath in the dark, waiting for you. Wow. Based on true events. Based on true event, guys. Voiced by Horrorable. Oh my god. Came by Aman, an Indian game developer. Wow, guys, it's a very nice game. Oh my god, 10/10. Wih, best lah. Okay, cakap kalau lah aku tak lari, kalau lah aku tak dengar, kalau lah aku tak dial 911, mungkin kita. Tapi panjang tu kalau tadi, kalau nak explain lupa dah sebenarnya. Tapi tak apa. Tapi selepas daripada tu, esoknya tu kita betul-betul esok tu terus kita pindah daripada sini, daripada Oak Haven. Kita tinggal dekat kawasan yang lebih bising, lebih mampat, lebih dekat bandar lah. Sebenarnya daripada tu kita tak lagi cari tempat yang sunyi, sebab kadang kesunyian tu disebabkan oleh mereka yang bersembunyi dalam gelap menunggu kita. Woi, gila lah. Oh my god, it's a very good game. Best tau. Tolong episode 3 tolong lah. Okay, saya tunggu berapa bulan juga lah untuk episode 2 keluar ni. Ataupun saya sendiri tak check, tapi saya rasa baru je keluar, baru je release. Game dia sangat best. Game dia sangat mengajarkan kita bahawa kita kalau seorang-seorang sendiri tu tenang. Tak, sebenarnya sebagai perempuan lah, lebih kepada perempuan lah. Kalau korang seorang tinggal dekat rumah, semua okey, tak ada masalah pun. Cuma kalau boleh korang carilah tempat yang lebih memudahkan korang, yang lebih, na'udzubillah lah, kalau jadi apa-apa at least ada orang boleh tolong. Tapi bila macam ni, bila korang tinggal jauh daripada orang lain, dia akan membuatkan korang jadi target. Senang jadi target sebab ada korang je gitu. Tapi 5/5 guys, ini antara game yang menarik, yang sangat menarik. Gameplay dia pun menarik. Dia lebih pada, dia bukanlah horror game yang ghost macam tu, faham tak? Dia target kita punya mental dan dia based on true story. Maksudnya ada orang yang betul-betul menghadapi kejadian ni. Kalau saya berada kat tempat orang tu, mungkin saya rasa saya dah give up. Mungkin memang aku tak tinggal seorang lah lepas tu Tapi pada orang yang menghadapi benda ni, teruslah kuat. Okay guys, so itu je lah untuk gameplay kali ni. Korang terus suggest game apa lepas ni. Okay, jangan lupa like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys.